Now look student, the next question is 6 Roman 3. Again this we have to prove that log base 2, then log base root 2, then log base root 3 9 equal to 2, which means this side is our LHS and this is RHS. We'll have to start from the LHS and we'll go to the RHS. So let's start how to solve this one. Let's have a look. Now look student, that logarithm base 2, then here log base root 2, and there is log base root 3, and 9 is 3 square. Now look, after that here the next one would be log base 2 and second bracket, then log base root 2, there is log base root 3, and these 3 can be written root 3 square and whole to the power. I'm giving here second bracket now, whole to the power, these 2 will be here, so then this could be third bracket. Now look, log base 2 again, here is log root 2, now 2 into 2 4, so log root 3 and root 3 to the power 4. Now this will come down here, so students, log 2 will be here and log root 2, this 4 will come down here, 4, and log base root 3 and root 3. So student, here this could be the formula that since log a m p equal to p log base a m, this formula I am using here in this case, and this equal to 1, so again I am writing since log base a equal to 1, so this could be 1. Now look, after that student, log base 2 and this equal to 1, so log base root 2 and 4. Now look, after that here log base 2 and log base root 2, and there is 2 square. Now look again, in the next step there is log base 2 and here log root 2, and this 2 is root 2 square, now whole to the power, or if I don't give here brackets will be okay, this square means this value here. And look, after that, so 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, so next would be log base 2, and this 2 into 2 4, which means log root 2 and root 2 to the 4 will be here. Now in the next step this will come down here, so log base 2, 4 will be here, so log root 2 and root 2. Now again one time I have used the formula here, this formula I am using again here, and this formula again I am using here. So here next step log base 2 and 4. Now last one, then again this log base 2 and 4 can be written 2 square, 2 will come down on that side, so I am writing here now, so 2 will be here, log base 2, which means answer is this equal to 1, so answer is 2 only. Now look student, and this is our RHS. Now look here, I am writing by the side, since I am writing here, since LHS equal to RHS, therefore log base 2, then second bracket log base root 2, then again log base 3 9, then second bracket equal to 2, hence proved. Student, I just need one correction here, that here I have given the whole bracket. No, there is not whole bracket, bracket will be here only, in this part only, bracket in this part, yeah. Now okay, so this is our 6 Roman 3.